I can remember when they put in Opry Mills Mall and they had a Rainforest Cafe there, and I can remember my friends and I in middle school for it was like the coolest experience to get to go there.
Oh. And then where Madame Tussauds is? Didn't we go there?
Yeah, that's Opry Mills. The Madame Tussauds in Nashville is at Opry Mills. For Halloween, they should hide one real person in there, and so people don't know, and then they move. Because that's the fear.
Big smile, big smile.
I my pants. I scare easy. I don't know if you know this.
And that's the reaction? You evacuate your bowels?
Oh, no, that was just a figure of speech.
Oh.
I'd more so go like this. Do you make a certain noise when you're afraid? Or do you really get afraid? I don't know if you've ever been, like, shock scared.
No.
Really? You don't get shit? You just are silent?
I may draw a fist. That's about it.
Mine is, I go, like I scream and go like this.
No.
We always laugh because my mom's noise is, and we're always like, what is that? She's like, I don't know.
When you're really tickled, you'll do that noise.
That is true. I will like. Are you maintaining situational awareness?
Yeah, you'll hold on to the note,
Yeah.
which is very off key.
No, I'm not trying to be on key when I'm trying to laugh.
Yeah, but I never heard anything
And
off
as
key
rarely
like
as
that.
you make me laugh, you should just soak in that moment.
Mm.